I'm gonna fucking kill you. I hope you know that. Are you on the first or second one now? You're still on the first.
Is this your foot? No, what is this?
The pull-up bar that your brother sold to me, and then tried to sell me his glasses.
That he got from a bar mitzvah.
$10. They're worth like $1.50, if that. What did I just say?